MSC Seashore Room 18001 room tour. And as we come in, to my left, I have a full-length mirror with a little vanity, closet with shelving, closet, neat little foot thingy at the bottom where you can put shoes. To the right is the bathroom. Nice granite countertops. Shelving, plenty of shelving for storage. Plenty of cabinet space underneath. Sink, toilet, shower with a seat in it. And this is actually a rainfall shower. Pretty nice. And as we come out, we have the bed to the right. There's little bedside tables on either side. I have a little well, it's not a Keurig, it's like an espresso machine. Big vanity with a big mirror. And in this drawer here, got the hair dryer and tissues. Nice size TV. You gave us a lot of different types of drinks. And telephone if you need to call at the front desk. Mini fridge. And it's stocked every day on what you want. And right next to the fridge, the mini fridge, is another closet. Shelving above. And this is actually another double closet. And this one has drawers in it, unlike the other one, just with two hanging closets with two shelves above. The safe, another shelving above, and as I pan around to the right, we have, it is a sofa sleeper, I believe. Table, chair, shelving in between the bed and the sofa. The USB port is only on the right or the left side of the bed. Each side has lights and a reading light. Padded headboard, very nice. Unfortunately, on the other side of the bed is just a light. There is no USB on that side. And as I go out to the balcony, it's a pretty nice sized balcony compared to our last one on the MSC Memorabilia. Excuse the noise because we are at sea and it's kind of cloudy and nasty right now. I'm standing like in the corner of the balcony. As you can see, it's pretty big. Nice spacious balcony. I wish they had a lounge chair out here. So that would do it for my room tour. MSC Seashore Room 18001. Thank you. Oh, if you like, give me a thumbs up, subscribe. Any questions, just put them in the comments below. Thank you. Bye.